Hi, this is Stuart Seiden with the International Partnering Institute, and with me today is Louise McGinnis of Kalichi Design Group and HC Structural Engineers. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
Yes?
Pleasure to.
Well, good. I've got a couple of questions for
Sure.
you today. So, where do you think the construction industry is in terms of broad adoption of collaborative partnering? And what can IPI and its members do to make this happen?
You know, I think it's becoming more broad stream in terms of agencies and consulting groups that's sort of adopting the partnering concept. You know, I've been involved in IPI for quite some time, and it's been quite a pleasure to sort of witness the change in culture and how we enable projects and how we work together as teams. One of the things that I see as very encouraging is, having worked for a very large firm and now working for smaller firms, is really sort of driving that message about collaboration and the partnering process down to some of the sub-consultants down into the field, so that it's kind of a roots up effort, and so that everybody's kind of on that same page. To that extent, I've been very pleased that IPI is now offering a micro-business level membership, so other folks can kind of come in and learn and be part of that process long before they get into the kickoff meeting.
That's great. It's actually a really good benefit. So, how does collaborative partnering help your organizations reach its goals?
You know, I think part of it is the culture that has to be enabled at your own firm, and with some of these smaller firms or mid-sized firms, you know, that's not a conversation that has traditionally taken place, and I think it's been very encouraging for us to kind of bring that internally, but also take it out to our clients. Case in point, we're pursuing a project right now for a city, and we're really in front of them talking about the collaborative process, the partnering process, and what it could bring to them, that, you know, enabling their success will be everybody's success. So that's how we're changing our culture.
Very true. Very true. So, do you use collaborative partnering to get more out of your business partnerships?
Oh, most definitely. You know, I think depending on what discipline that you're in, sometimes there's always an adversarial relationship, you know, between, you know, whether it's a designer or a contractor or a civil consultant or whatever. I think, you know, using the process through collaborative partnering, you know, I think it enables us to get everybody on the same page, do what's best for the project, and have an exceptional, you know, outcome for everybody.
Okay.
So.
Very good. So, how does collaborative partnering affect or influence the ongoing decision-making process of a project?
You know, I think it starts at the very top. I mean, there has to be owner buy-in, and so, you know, in terms of pursuing projects, I think that's part of that early pre-marketing conversation, that, you know, to set the stage correctly and make sure that everybody's on the same page. And, you know, as they assemble the team, then, you know, it's just kind of a no-brainer that it will be successful.
Do you find the decisions being made on a project are better because of partnering?
Most definitely. Most definitely. I think it takes the egos out of it. I think it takes everybody's personal biases out of it, and you're coming together to create, you know, a successful outcome, and you know, you're not myopically focused.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Louise.
Well, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Take care.
Thanks.